This is our Skillet sourdough bread, made with milk and butter. A type of loaf of bread that they might have made in the old times when they were out on the frontier. It's 65% hydration. It weighs just under a kilogram, or about 2 pounds. Very often they would use milk and lard or butter to help add protein and softness to their bread. This is a nice soft loaf. We'll be cutting into it in a minute here. This type of bread is really easy for children to eat and older folks. It's easy to chew on. So it's time to slice up our white skillet loaf. It smells wonderful. It's still warm. It's a very, very soft loaf. The crumb is very soft. The crust is very soft. This is a loaf that they might have made long ago on the frontier in a skillet. It's a very nice soft crumb. Here's our skillet loaf. It's a white loaf with butter and milk in it. It's about 2 pounds, or just a little bit under a kilogram. It's a very nice soft loaf. The crumb's very soft. The crust is very soft. It smells wonderful. You can see how beautiful the crumb is.